RCAT Stock Analysis Wednesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. RCAT holding sitting at $9.41, 9.95% down. So where are we heading next? I'll be perfectly honest with you here. I'm looking to take this thing higher. Obviously, taking it with a grain of salt. I was waiting for a proper double break, and all I saw was a gap up. Boo, right, whoomp whoomp. I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of great predictions. With RCAT, definitely like this would have been just a great approach, man. Like, cause I'm still looking to take this thing higher, but like I kind of like the train went without me. And what can I do here? Nothing except just maybe if the price comes deeper and then gives me the rules, maybe. But like this market for me right now, I'm not looking to participate in purely because my rules are not being met. My edge is not edging, so that's how RCAT looks like. Other than that, if you want to learn to trade in a simple and lean way, there is a free newsletter, first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.